Hello everybody out there in YouTube world. I'd like to invite you guys to hang out with me about 8:30 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. We're going to have fishing stripes on my panel tomorrow. We'll be discussing fishing and everything else. Her name is Brandi. She'll be hanging out with us for about an hour. She's going to go fishing afterwards. So feel free to drop in, hang out, get to know Brandi and meet her, and maybe check out her channel and subscribe to her. And sounds like she'd be a fun person to be on the show. She has a lot of energy. She's real friendly. So yeah, if you guys got time tomorrow, quarter after 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. She should be popping up on here, and we're gonna have it for an hour. We're gonna have a panel, a few guys that they'll like to fish and hang out with us. So feel free to come by and check her out, and subscribe to her channel if you will. So, and her channel is called Fishing Stripes, and her name is Brandi. And feel free to come hang out with us. So thank you very much for listening to this quick intro. And I'll see everybody tomorrow. So, bye bye.